Konrad sangma ula ongru ya ka UDP ba kumno kamle rany habadang wan pan jahi nakaju kapliang endala de bampat ki ben kongpong. De kum kine ken kita kijinglong.
Then there are many other political parties. They will come here and give so many speeches against the National People's Party. They will work with the National People's Party when it is convenient for them. And when the election campaign comes, they will go and speak against the National People's Party. Friends, I want to tell them, in our culture, in the Indian culture as well as in the Khasi culture and in the Garo culture also, we don't spit on the plate from which we eat.
Konrad sangma ulakam baka soyong bat kinong soyong kin bud bet ya ka NPP. Bat menta ngiwan yadling ba kaneka tany kum kadag jong ka job. Kublay sibon ya kinong soyong kibaladon bat ngi kibas ngap yangi bat kibala syat lang rubat ngi. Kajing syariat jong pi yangi ngin syakri bahaya pi bat ya ka constituency jong pi ringkat bat iba samlin. Kani kadai kajing job tap ya ka vot jong pi ha ka NPP. Ngi ngej kam bat ngi kermen baka NPP kan job pecas soyong constituency. Laong dau Chief Minister Konrad Sangma.